So guys, today on the Daily Drift, we're going to take these and turn them from this to this. So you guys ever have one of those days where everything you do just doesn't seem to go according to plan? Well, today's one of those days for me. Right now we're running about 5 hours late on everything, but we're over here at Home Depot and we're gonna go get some paint so we can get those parts painted, and then after that we gotta go and go get some food. So let's go get that taken care of and we'll move on to the next thing. I think that's gonna be the one that we're gonna go with. It's black hammered and I think it'll do what we want it to. So let's get it. Well, I hope I got enough. I got about 10. So actually no, I only got 5. I don't know why I said 10. We're gonna take these things, we're gonna go put them in, and then we'll start working on sanding those parts and getting them together so that way we can hopefully get these things back on the truck soon. Let's go do it. So we're going out to go get some food at Cheddar's, and then I'm gonna go home and finish working on this stuff. I promise it's coming. I'm gonna do it. It's just today's one of those days where I make plans, I have things set up, and then other things come up and other plans happen. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. So sometimes you gotta take time, just like mental health, like do something that's relaxing every now and again, because I've been getting stressed lately. So this will be good. This will be good. So let's go enjoy some food. Look at who we just saw out here. I wonder who owns that. It's very hard to see right now, but that's Austin in front of us. I just have a feeling he's gonna do something stupid, so I figured I may as well record it. Oh, nope. Wow, I can smell his car from here. That thing is running so rich. So guys, it's the next day. As you can tell, things don't always go the way that we want them to. So today what we're doing is the same thing we were doing yesterday, but we're doing it today, which was like 2 seconds for you. So I don't even know why I'm saying that. It's okay. So anyway, we gotta take these things and basically sand them down. This was something I found that was really bad. It's like rusting through. And that's why this thing was not sitting on there right. So it was just popping off. So now I gotta figure out a way to fix that. So that's kind of the plan for today. Depending on how bad it is, like that one spot's rusted pretty bad. We'll see if we find any more rust. But these things aren't gonna look perfect. They don't need to. We just need them to work. So that's kind of the plan for today. So guys, all of a sudden started raining. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try to do this inside the garage. Right now it's a little bit rainy out, so I'm just gonna put it here, and then what I'm gonna do is try to sand this, keep all this stuff like in this area as possible, but still keeping it dry. Yeah, because we need to get this thing painted today. So let's do it. Okay, so here's where we're at. So it's not perfect. It's still pitted very bad, but this doesn't have to be perfect. It's gonna be hidden. The problem that I'm seeing is just like some of this is like really deep pitting, but I'm just trying to get all the rust out of it as I can, and then we're just gonna spray over it. It's not gonna be perfect because we're putting that pad on top of here, so this won't even be seen, but I just wanted to take care of some of this rust that is in here. So then now I got to do the rest of the bar, which is yeah. So, and that thing isn't working good enough, but I'm gonna have to do it by hand because that's like really heavy grit. So let's go and finish getting the rest of this done. Okay guys, so that sander is not working very well, and I'm really just getting fed up with it. I'm gonna go pick up some heavy grit sandpaper because that stuff is just taking forever and I just don't have time for it. Like, I just can't be bothered with it. I'm gonna go do that and then I'll be right back. So guys, I just got back from the store and I picked up one of these. So I don't know if you can see, but what that is, it's a pad that's really good at removing paint and rust. We'll see how it does. I'm gonna put it to the test. Hopefully this thing works quick and we can get this done. So let's do it. I don't know what happened. My camera started acting up on me, but this is what it looks like, and it looks pretty good. As far as how fast that thing worked, it was really quick. So I'm gonna work on getting the rest done. Okay, so this thing works really well, but the problem is it's already almost pretty much bare, and I can't get too much more out of it. So that's kind of a huge downside because this was 10 bucks. So we're gonna switch back to the sander and see if the higher grit will help. But this did a good job. Well guys, I really hope this thing is worth it because this is a lot more work than what I was planning on. I'm not a body work guy, but this is a pain in the ass. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you got enough time set aside, because damn. Okay guys, so the weather's kind of clearing up a bit and I need to paint this outside, so this is kind of risky, but I'm gonna get some acetone, wipe this whole thing down, and then I'm gonna hang it and spray some paint on it while I keep sanding on the other one, because I gotta wait on it to dry and all that before I can do the other one anyway. So we're just gonna do that now so we don't gotta worry about it. So that's what we're gonna do. Normally I'd wear gloves, but I don't know where the hell they went. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright guys, so I know this may not be perfect, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be better than what we had. So let's do it. One coat down. Well, it looks pretty good to me. But we're gonna let this dry. While this dries, I'm gonna go finish sanding the other part. So now I'm just gonna wipe it down with some acetone. Alright guys, second bar, first coat. Round two. Well guys, I don't know if you can see this or not, but my glasses, it's probably hard to see, but they are just completely covered. They're completely sprayed with paint and overspray. Same thing with my shitty ass beard. So it looks like I'm gonna have to shave and figure a way to get this stuff off my glasses, because right now all I see is like spots everywhere. So yay. But the good news is we got them all painted. We got them all set up, so now we're just going to let that dry. Hopefully we have enough daylight that we can actually get them back on the truck today. I hope. We'll see. So Let's wait about an hour till they're like dry to the touch, and then we'll go do that. Okay, I think these things have had enough time to dry. So we're gonna start on this side. So when you're under here, this is the thing that you're gonna be taking off. You just loosen that, it'll pop out, and then we'll go get the other part. But all you do is you put it in between this and the bushing, and it holds it up. Be very careful. This paint still feels a little bit kind of, not exactly, it's not wet, but it's not cured yet, so need to be careful here. Now I'm going to very carefully put this thing back up.
If you're just gonna stay, changing like the seasons, been wasting all this time, should be like satellites, can't be on this.
Well guys, I think this was pretty successful. This thing looks pretty damn good. I like the color, I like the way it fits, and I think it's going to do exactly what it needs to. So now it's at least not all rusted out, so I'd say it was worth it. So for this last part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this JB plastic weld, and I'm going to mix it up and use this to basically help keep this thing sealed. So we'll see if it works. We'll see if that works. I kind of doubt it, but we'll see. Well guys, it goes to show that a little bit of hard work can go a long way. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a lot of work, but finally managed to get it all done. I'm going to call it a night. I got to go do some homework and get ready for school tomorrow. I hope you all have a great day, and just remember, keep drifting fun.
Say the word and we can run round the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Say the word.